Awesome. So mga kapuso, your daiquiri is ready? Cheers! Good evening mga kabunso and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So mga kabunso, good evening and my name is Edwin and I'm your bartender. So mga kabunso, for tonight, I'm gonna show you how to make daiquiri. So daiquiri classic. So for the daiquiri, mga kabunso, you need this rum, white rum. Any rum you can use for daiquiri. But for me, I prefer this Bacardi. And of course, fresh lemon juice. You need also this fresh orange juice and sugar syrup. So you need also sugar syrup. And of course, you need, this is important, your shaker. And jigger. And of course, your glass. And for your garnish, lime. So mga kabunso, let's do it. So I will show you how to make daiquiri right now. So let's do it mga kabunso. So first step, use this Bacardi. Two shots of Bacardi. 2 shots means 60 ml of Bacardi. 60 ml. 60 ml of Bacardi. Bacardi rum. And for the lemon juice, 40 ml of lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. 30 and 10. So 40 ml of lemon juice, and of course 20 ml of sugar syrup. And mga kabuso, I forgot to tell you, make chill first your cocktail glass. I'll put some ice. Just make it chill for your glass. Always make chill your glass before your serving. So the balance is ice. So this is my favorite mga kabuso, shake. And so now your glass is chilled, so you can throw right away the ice. And remember, this cocktail is double strainer because there is a small flakes ice inside. So just flakes that ice, no need to put it there inside. So that's why we're using this strainer. So let's do it. Wow, nice color and looking delicious. So perfect pouring. So you can see there is a small ice here inside this flakes. Anyway, so now your garnish. I will prepare for garnish lemon wheel. Lemon wheel mga kabunso. So here we go. Yes. So ano mga kabunso, is easy to make. This is the classic daiquiri. So your classic Daiquiri is ready. Cheers mga kabunso. So mga kabunso, thank you very much for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share all my videos and vlogs. So again, mga kabuso, this is my favorite time for testing time. So let's try again. Awesome. So mga kabuso, your daiquiri is ready. Cheers!